St. Kitts and Nevis, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, British Virgin Islands, and Bermuda. Penultimate race of Carifta 50. 4x4 final for under 20 girls. The Bahamians in the lineup.
That's Frederick, the 200 champion.
Quiet for the start, please. Quiet for the start.
There's Toniann Beckford leading off the Jamaica team.
Stand behind your blocks. On your mark.
Final girls event of Carifta 50.
Set.
Off they go. 4x400 for under 20 girls. Saul Frederick leading off for Trinidad and Tobago. British Virgin Islands go out well in lane number 6. The Trinidadians are going well. Toniann Beckford trying to get into the picture for the Jamaicans. Bahamas will have some work to do coming into the straightaway, but they start to respond as well. Down the home stretch they come. Bahamas in the mix now, moving beautifully on this opening leg. The Bahamians, Bahamas and Jamaica. Jamaica have put their big gun on the second leg. Jamaica changing just ahead of the Bahamas. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, has the baton for the black, green and gold.
Fine first leg, 54.8 for Beckford.
Down the back stretch they go. Ricky and Russell stretches the advantage. The 200 champion, Sania Frederick on this second leg for Trinidad and Tobago. And she sprints into second position. The Bahamians in third. Jamaica well clear once again. Bahamas now back in second position. Frederick starting to struggle. Down the home stretch. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, leading the Jamaicans. Here she comes to make the second change. Jamaica well clear.
51.8 for Russell.
British Virgin Islands now in second position.
Christian Powell looking good on this third leg for Jamaica. Bahamas fight back and regain second place. Real battle for the silver and the bronze.
3:31.47, the Carifta record held by Jamaica. And Casey and Powell with a massive advantage. Down the home stretch. Powell for Jamaica. Battle on for silver, Trinidad and Tobago, British Virgin Islands and Bahamas. But the Bahamians have Valcourt on the anchor leg. That should secure them the silver. The Jamaicans are well clear.
53-4 for Powell. Valcourt.
Well, it's not Valcourt who's on the anchor leg for the Bahamians.
Ran last night. Great lead-off leg. And Jamaica clear in front here.
Abigail Campbell on the anchor leg for Jamaica.
Last year's under 17 400 champion in Kingston gets the glory leg.
And glory it shall be. Campbell turns into the straightaway. Jamaica well clear. Battle really on for the silver medal. Abigail Campbell.
The latest edition of the 4x400m relay at the Carifta Games once again underscored the overwhelming strength of Jamaica's under-20 girl squad, further cementing their legacy of dominance in the discipline. From the opening leg, the Jamaicans seized control, never surrendering their lead and ultimately securing a commanding win. Opening the race for Jamaica, Toniann Beckford delivered a steady and powerful first leg, despite pressure from teams like the Bahamas and Trinidad and Tobago. She maintained a fluid, composed pace and recorded an impressive 54.8-second split. While the Bahamian athletes had a slow start, they closed the gap as the first leg ended, positioning themselves well for the baton handoff. Taking over in the second leg, Rickiana Russell, fresh off her victory in the individual 400m, amplified Jamaica's advantage. Her smooth stride and competitive edge created a wider gap between her and the chasing teams, finishing her leg in 58 seconds. Trinidad and Tobago briefly surged into second with a strong effort, but the Bahamas rallied again to reclaim the runner-up position before the next baton pass. For the third leg, Kazan Powell ran a dominant segment, ensuring Jamaica remained well ahead going into the final stretch. With the baton in hand, anchor Abigail Campbell, reigning under 17 400m champion, sealed the deal with a confident and unchallenged run to the finish line. Jamaica took gold with ease, followed by Trinidad and Tobago in second and the Bahamas securing third. This victory extends Jamaica's unbeaten run in the under-20 girls 4x400m relay at the Carifta Games, a streak that has lasted for many years. The country's strength in both sprinting and middle-distance running remains unmatched, and the emergence of standout athletes like Tia Clayton, Tina Clayton, Serena Cole, and Alana Reid is a testament to their ever-growing depth of talent. As the 2025 athletics season gets underway, a series of standout moments has already captured attention. In the 60-meter dash, emerging young stars are performing with remarkable speed, among them Sharika Jackson, making her return after a previous season-ending injury. Despite finishing second in her season debut, Jackson looked sharp and close to full form, rekindling memories of her dominant 2023 campaign, which many regard as her best yet. Meanwhile, veteran icons such as Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price and Elaine Thompson-Hera remain in the spotlight. Though neither has raced so far this year, anticipation is building around their eventual return, which is expected to bring even more excitement to the already compelling season. With 2025 still in its early stages, fans can look forward to many more high-octane races and potentially record-setting performances. All eyes will be on the rising stars and experienced legends as they aim to shine ahead of major international meets. For now, Jamaica continues to set the pace, especially in the relays, where their supremacy is yet to be challenged. For those following the journey, there will be continuous coverage of major performances and upcoming events. With so many fresh faces rising through the ranks, this season is shaping up to be one of the most unforgettable in recent memory.